Myself Parag Datar, heading electrical department in the KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. Today I am here to share my valuable feedback about establishing a Center of Competence in association with Decibels Labs Private Limited. We had a wonderful experience. We have set up this lab with their help, and as per our customized need, the lab setting was done, hands-on experience was shared, the people were very cooperative, and we look forward in taking this Center of Competence way ahead and thinking that student will have a great benefit out of this. They have also helped in designing the certification courses which will offer to the students. We also look forward for the research and development in the EV technology in the years to come.